Ready, go.
How many tens? 5. How many ones?
I am saying when you see the number, just say how many tens you see and how many ones. So for example, I go 4 tens, no ones. Ready, got it? Ready, go.
5 tens, 7 ones, 1 ten, 3 ones, 5 tens, 2 ones.
Take a seat. Take a look off your feet. All right.
Again, we make sure we can sit on our bottom so
Show
people
you
see. There we go.
a quick image. And I want you to tell me what number is represented on our 10 frames. It's been a while we've not seen this, right? Yes. But we're going back to this because it will help us with the concept we're doing right now. Ready? What number is represented? Once you get that number, can you give me a nice firm thumb on your chest? Ready, go. I want you to turn and tell your friend what number is represented. And how do you know? Go.
20.
How do you know? How do you know?
Because 10 plus 10 equals 20, and I saw another 5 on one, and I saw 4. So that's I saw 2 5s on one of them, and another 2 5s on that one, and I saw the 4 in there, so that equals 24.
How do you know? What number was represented?
I saw 10 over here and 10 over here and 4 ones. That's how I know it's 24.
All right. Now I'm going to expose this so that we can say what we saw and how we saw it. But this routine is not the routine where we're going to do the big quick images, but we're focusing on the number that is represented. So I want you to use this information to help you tell me and tell everybody else. All right, now let's change her strategy. I'm looking for participation. What does that look like? What does that look like in Brooklyn College when we participate? When someone has shared their idea,
Look at your class.
how do we respond to someone's idea? Call on someone, Ayala. In 3, in 2, in 1.
I agree with you, Diana, because I said the same thing, but in a different way, not by a 10, but I saw 2 rows of 5 on the top, and then another 2 5s there. And I know that when you put those 2 on the top together, that makes 10. So that means this one is 10 too, but this one doesn't match the 2 other ones. So that means this is 4. These 2 are 10 and 10. So 10 and 10 equals 20. Plus 4 equals 24.
Reactions?
Jamal, why do you disagree? Because I see 5 and 5 on the top. Oh, what's the other one though? Oh, you mean all of it? Yeah. Oh. I saw. You mean I saw the different way by
First of all, what number you think is represented?
20.
How do you know it's 24? 24? How did you come to know that this is 24? What did you do? Was it similar to what Nayela did? Okay. Nayela, can you explain what you did so Jamel can hear you again one more time?
First, I saw 10 on the top, and I saw 10 right here, and then I saw 4, 1. That's how I know it was 20.
Eli, move back.
Anybody has a different way? JL?
More.
I also saw it a different
back.
way because we see 110 and 4 ones, and that equals 14, and then if you put another 10 to the and if you put the 10 to and if you put the other 10, then you would have 2 10. That's 4 ones.
So I'm a little lost here now. You said 14, a 10 and a 4, 14, and if I put the other 10,
And then you
sit down. I want this to make sense with the total you're saying. What number is this? What number do you see?
14,
No, what number is this?
24.
Okay, so can you show me how this would be 24? You said 1, 10, and 4 is 14.
And then if you have a 10, 14,
Okay.
and then you will have 4 and 1. That equals 24.
If you have a 10 and 14, you said that is 4 ones.
No,
Oh, I'm writing exactly what you're saying.
I said if you have 1 10 left, and you have 4 14, then 14 has 1 10.
Okay, 14 has a 10 and you said what? Okay.
And then if you add the 10s together,
Okay.
it will equal 20.
Okay.
And then you have 4 1.
Oh. And that makes what you said?
24.
So you see why I had to write this down to see your process, and also Jalea, sorry, that sometimes when you say some things, they don't match to what you're saying, but when I put it down, you can see, oh no, I'm skipping something. You got it? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Good. So, yesterday, we looked at going to a store and buying stickers that come in rows of 10, rows of
10.
and
1.
one. What was the word we used for that? We didn't say one though.
Unit.
Singles. Not yet. We looked at buying stickers that come in rows of 10s and singles, right? And so, when we went to our tables, we explored buying different number of stickers and how we can show how many rows of 10 and how many singles we have, right? Then we realized, wait, our rows of 10 are actually, our rows of 10, they were actually called what? How do we call the rows of 10 yesterday? Let's look at our chart. How did we call our rows of 10? What word did we use to replace rows of 10?
Units.
Rows of 10, we use units, the word units.
Left and right.
Rows of 10 are called what? Are called? Nickel.
10.
They're called 10s. They're called?
10.
Rows of 10s are called?
10.
And what about our singles? Which word did we use to replace the word singles?
Units.
Everybody?
Units.
Units. Or what's the other word between units?
Ones.
Ones. Great. When we number a digit in the tens place, what does it tell us? When we have a digit in the tens place, what is it telling us? I'm looking for hands. When we have a digit in the tens place, what is it telling us? Dale.
It's telling us that how many tens you have.
When we have a digit in the ones place, what is that showing us? What is it telling us? Octavia.
So how many you have.
Right, so today we're going to be playing a new game called How Many Tens, How Many Ones. What's the name of the game?
How many tens, how many ones?
So, there are some steps to our game. Let's go through those steps, and I'm going to also put our recording sheet right here as well, so we can put our steps and match it to our recording sheet. The first step, Eli, watch me. It's my turn. The first step is to pick a card and think. How many tens? How many ones? So I'm going to pick one card. Everybody have these. You have a deck of cards. I'm going to pick one card. When I pick that card, I'm thinking, how many tens? How many ones? I'm going to write my number that on my recording sheet where it says my number. The number I picked was 43. My second step is represent the number using tens and ones. How many tens? How many ones? How do I represent 43 as tens and ones? That's your job. You have your placemat to help you. You have your cubes to help you with that number to figure out how many tens and ones. But after you use your cubes here, if you do use your cubes on your mat, I want you to show me what it looked like on your placemat. Record it on your sheet right here. I also want to see it on that sheet. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the third thing we will do is to write an equation to match exactly what you did on your sheet here. Write an equation here, my equation. What equation can I write to match my representation of 43 as tens and ones? I'm not going to do an example for you because I don't want to show you what I will do. I want to see what you will do to show 43 as tens and ones. How would you show it? And what equation? When I say equation, I mean a number sentence. I mean a
Number sentence.
What number sentence can I come up to match my representation in my box? Oops. At your table, who can repeat the steps to the game for us? Who can repeat those steps? Amani, what's the first thing we're doing?
Pick a card and think how many tens, how many ones.
What's the next step? Nikel.
Record the number represent the number using tens and ones.
Say that one more time. We,
Represent the number using your tens and your ones.
and what's the third step? What's the third step? Someone I'm not good from. Shania, what's the third step?
Write an equation to match.
Write an equation to match the work that you showed in your box. Okay. What tools can we use again at our desk to help us do that? To figure out how many tens and ones, what tools can we use at our tables? Nayala?
The card.
Our place value chart, yes. And oh, you mean the cards here?
Yeah.
But what tools can we use to help us figure out how many tens and ones on the card? What do we have at our tables? Cubes. And what else? Jalea.
And your place value.
And your place value. Think about what it should look and sound like as we transition to our seats. Now I have changed some French seats today because I want to give us space on our table so everybody can work comfortably. So Jamel, as I call your name, can you go to the place I'm sending you? Jamel, Miss Table. Go ahead. Jamel, and there was someone else I put there. Okay, let me go through the tables. Table 1, go ahead. Table 1. 1 is good to go. Table 2, go ahead. Jillian, you at my table, okay, got it. Jillian, you at my table. Table 3, go ahead. Masami, you at my table.
With your glasses.
Wow, friends, really, you walk to your table with a silent voice. Friends are